very popular and famous until the Korean country and the other country. And there are many shops sell it. Well, I'm gonna show you step by step how to make ramen noodles. Keep watching, guys. This is the noodle, which is called Gekekara ramen, and I choose hot spicy flavor. I'm just make it simple, so keep watching the process, guys. So, step first, prepare a 500 ml boiled water. Then Yep, as you guess now, you can add the other ingredients, but I just make it simple. And yeah, you can wait until the noodles already cooked. Well guys, I think it's enough. The noodles already cooked. Next, I want to prepare the plate. I want to drain the noodle first. It's so hot. Then I put the seasoning into plate. But first, I'll wait the noodle until drained. Oh yeah, I forget to tell you guys, I make a fried noodle, and this pepper very hot. Chili powder, you can read chili powder. I think if you don't like hot, you cannot put the hot at the flavor. And then the third seasoning. Well, I think this noodle has already drained. You can mix all with the seasoning. So yeah, the noodle has already cooked. But first, I mix the noodle